As a scrapbooker, having photos printed and easily accessible is critical to having fun with my hobby. Hi, my name is Jennifer Wilson and I am your guide here at Simple Scrapper. In this video, I'm going to share why I'm obsessed with Adobe Lightroom for organizing my photos. It makes my life so much easier and allows me to have photos always ready to go so that I can create when I feel inspired to do so. Let's get into it. So first off, what is Lightroom? Adobe Lightroom is software for your computer, your tablet, and your phone. It works across devices and across platforms, so for both Mac and PC. It's a tool that I've been using for 8 years now, and I don't see myself ever stopping. Now this leads me really quickly into the top reason why I love Lightroom, and I've loved it for so long. Because it's photo management and photo editing in the exact same tool. You kind of curate and organize your images in the same place that you're improving them, exporting them, and getting them all ready to use for scrapbooking. So I find it so handy to be able to have that seamless interface to toggle back and forth between looking at groups of photos and looking at a single photo to make it better. Now, what attracted me to Lightroom a long time ago was the fact that editing inside of Lightroom is non-destructive. So what that means is that when you make a change, even though your photo looks different, those changes are actually saved to a catalog. They're not saved to the photo itself until you export it as a new file. Now, if you've ever edited an image and then realized you made a mistake or you wanted to go back to that original copy, it's super easy to do inside of Lightroom with no trouble at all. And with that ease comes so much speed. Lightroom was originally designed for professional photographers who were taking hundreds, if not thousands, of photos in one sitting, to make it really fast to sort through photos and pick out the best ones and save those for the future. These days, we're all taking so many photos on our phones, and that's one of the reasons why I fell in love with Lightroom even deeper in the past year, is because they made some major improvements to their mobile app to make it more seamlessly integrated with the desktop version. There's a web version and even a tablet version. So it's so fun to be able to take a photo and have it instantly appear on my computer so I can edit it and send it off to be printed. This type of automation really makes my life easier, and it's something that I've come to expect in my tools, and Lightroom really stays up on top of the game. And that's the last thing I'm going to mention today, is that I love Lightroom because it's so reliable. It's software that I can trust and I know is going to be there for me, and they're going to also educate me along the way as they improve their tools to stay up to date with how technology is changing. I wanted to film this short video today because I've got 2 more videos coming up this month. First up, I have a full Lightroom workflow tutorial where I walk you through step by step the process I use so that I have photos ready to scrapbook. And then I have a full video answering all of your questions about Lightroom. All the ins and outs, will it work for you? How do you do certain things? And how do you make sure this is the software that's going to meet your needs, and how to make the most of it once you do make that investment. I hope you are as excited as I am about these upcoming videos, and if you're not yet subscribed, make sure to hit that subscribe button so that you can be the first to know when I upload again. The next video will be up next Tuesday. But in the meantime, if you'd like something else to dig your teeth into, I've got a brand new free workbook for you linked in the description box down below. Our Fall Creative Roadmap is your guide to setting your priorities and feeling really clear on what's important to you this season. And if photo organization, photo management, getting control of that chaos is a priority for you, you're going to want to download this roadmap because we've tailored it just to this topic to help guide you through simple challenges and clarity building exercises so that you can really feel like you can move forward. And of course, our community is always there to support you along the way. Again, my name is Jennifer Wilson, and I am your guide here at Simple Scrapper. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Bye-bye.